Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and make sure that you're on a video mode. So if you're on a photo, simply tap on the video or swipe it, just like that. And after doing it, simply tap on the three dots icon right here, and as you can see on the second position we've got the resolution. We've got only two options to choose from, so now we've got the first option applied. In order to choose the 4K, so the second option, just tap on it. As you can see, we just got back to the camera, so let's open the settings again, and it is chosen. I mean, this option which we wanted is chosen, is highlighted, so it means that we successfully changed the resolution, and from now on you will record the videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.